Oh, hey, you! Whoa. I see you found my video. I got a request from Eric on YouTube. He wants to learn how to make vegan wonton soup, complete with wonton noodles. I'm about to head to my kitchen and make that. If you want to come learn, come along. Oh yeah, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks!
To start off this soup, we gotta make our wontons. For that, you will need a package of vegan-friendly wonton wrappers, 4 ounces of shiitake mushrooms that have been washed, stems removed, and sliced, 1 cup packed of baby spinach, chopped, 1/2 cup of texturized vegetable protein, 1/2 tablespoon of chickpea flour, 1/2 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 2 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 green onion. In a food processor, add mushrooms, garlic, chopped spinach, ginger, liquid aminos, sesame oil, and green onion. Process until well ground. If you don't have a food processor, mince them up by hand and then add them to a bowl. Next in the bowl, we will add texturized vegetable protein, nutritional yeast, and chickpea flour. Mix this well to combine. For the next step, fill a small dish with water. Place wonton wrappers on a work surface and fill the wonton with approximately 1 teaspoon of the filling. Place the filling in the center. Using the small water bowl, moisten your fingers and run it along the edges of the wonton wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Carefully press the air out and seal around the edges. Bring the bottom of the 2 corners inward and press. Repeat this for all your wontons. Next, we're going to move on over to the stovetop and begin our soup. What you will need for that is 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 5 cups of umami stock or any vegetable stock, 3 or 4 baby bok choy. My bok choy were a little bigger, so I ate 2 of them and I quartered them. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 cup shredded carrot, 1 tablespoon of white miso, lastly salt and pepper to taste. To make our soup, we're going to go over to the stovetop and heat the olive oil and the sesame oil in a large pot. Place the baby bok choy cut side down and allow to brown, then flip. Cook browning for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Add the garlic and ginger, saute until fragrant. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the vegetable stock and miso. Bring to a boil, add in wontons, and cook until floating. Add shredded carrots and rice vinegar, season with salt and pepper to taste. Your vegan-friendly wonton soup is done. Remember, if you like what I'm doing here at the Veggie Nerd, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can keep up to date with my videos. And I'll see you in the next one.